Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to see your Instagram reels, right? So in order to do that, guys, you want to click on your profile on the lower right hand side in Instagram here, and from there click the burger menu, which is the three lines on the uppermost right hand side, and then you want to scroll down to where you have your activity. You want to click on your activity, and then from there you want to click on likes. Right here you will be able to see all that you have liked, right? So whether it's a post, whether it's a reel, whether it's someone's story, whichever. Right now, in order to see your liked reels, you have to somehow modify this or filter this, because here by default you're seeing all type of content, right? Or you're seeing all content types, right? And you can see here from the different options here that one of them is saying all content types. So in order to show only reels, you just want to click on all content type, and from there you want to select reels, and by doing so you will be able to filter only reels that you have liked. And that's how easy it is, guys, to see all the like reels that you've done on Instagram. Very easy and very simple.